dance is so beautiful and turn it up. They love me the way I am, love with me the way I am, oh darling. And I spend time blessing me, my love, my hair, darling. My baby, she love me so much. I just can't do it out of touch. I got this girl, oh madam, she's so beautiful and charming. She love me the way I am, go with me the way I am, oh darling. And I spend time blessing me, my love, my hair, darling. My baby, I love her so. Who do you ready? Who do you ready? The man them when I love back to man, you know go blam blam blam. Why me I don't know what I feel this jam. Pick up the fat pussy guy, them a big some. But if you no fuck, pussy me no young. And you know you say blah blah. Since I never let you in my rap this session. When you hear me go me hear the talk of me lion. More of hear the girls them scream. This a party a split in a V. Yo, big up the people of VIP. That fat pushy girl there, Sizzla a free. All of the girls who are here on the scream. Hey, hear me not a cute lady. I want to give you a cute baby. I want you to know, hey, pull up. Joe, next track. What do you mean with isolation? Hey, 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 hey. You ready? And you know I'm fire me about that Jamaican this. Me not care. Good job. Well, sexiness and need some. Turn it up. Come take it with me. Hey, give me that. I want to hear the girls them scream. Turn it up, Jamaica say. That's fine. Hey, and we bring me down. Why now? Next time I select, I know we have to talk. Hey, you ready? So, I'm with the girl, that's how it. That's how the girls I love me. Fucking nerves up. Somebody say pull up. Sure. Pull up my select on a ramp with it. I don't know what about it. You ever know that? The man never said, when you give me the fire wheel. Fire. I'm with the girl, that's how it. That's with the girls that love me. Fucking the herbs I'm keeping now. Anywhere I'm going, no one ever. I'm with them. That's how it. Hey, next one. It's the last year. Yo! No man never know about push up a lighter then. When the fire them there. Jamaica said, no, you want me now, it's on the top. When the lighter them there. Jamaica, we're gone. Fire! Nah. Pull up! Hey! Sabunta! Oh yeah! More fire! Alright! Turn it up! Yeah! No, you want me to mess around the try. Them things that no matter when I sound up, push your phone about to push up on up. Push your phone up! Yeah! Nah! Bad man me now! Nah! Hey! Hey! Nah! Bad man does up! Nah! You're the partner now! Since I don't see, why them in there every day? See that? Next up! Come yourself! Oh yeah! The man who know them straight are straight! I know some new year now! Turn it up! Second to the point! Can't you see? Me baby! Burn up your place, yo! Second to the point! Can't you see? Everybody move around! Over yourself! Return! Hey! Pull up! Pull up, I'll run it again! Why are the cute girls on the screen? BRT, big up sir. Excuse me. That's right, come yo, run the rhythm, my select and stop now. Alright. The man never have a girlfriend, boss up here. The man never have a girlfriend, boss up here. So get to the point. Can you see? Me man BRT. Yo, so get to the point. Can you see rest of man? Alright. Turn it up. Look now when you go so. Hey. Sizzla Kalonji. Hey! Hey! Yo, BRT! Just make us up for them. Good things we got for them. Go tell the girls I have stuff, alright, check for them. Alright, and send some respect for them. And now we now bow down. Something I go say like I get 3 points. Can't be serious, man. Next one. Hey, are you on the place now? The man of my new son of them, not see them in your face. Push up the light and signal now. BRT, well, that's how you have. Next one. Pull up, Uncle. The people of my left side, big up myself. What is that? Why you guys don't scream? I remember seeing my left side, what's up now? Alright, well, that's how big it up. Next one. Pull up, run out there. You show my left side there more. Over your son there more. Over your son there more. Over your son there more. Alright. Hey, let me join them now. More. That's how big it up. I don't know that. If they don't keep on the road, just have to be left the road, water from the things are not, but it's a big land. I don't know that. If they don't keep on the road, just have to be left the road. Fuck that you, man. Don't think you want. It's not nothing of that. But nothing of that. Got the man to the message to them look good. Go and take it to monkey. Erase it all over the cell now. I'm going to have well, that's how big land. I know. Pull up. Big up the fans and BRT. You don't know a judgment channel like a bonfire. I want to stop on the fire upon Sodomite. When I stop on the fire upon Batman. When I stop on the fire upon lesbian. When I stop on the fire upon rape man. When I stop on the fire upon pedophilia. You hear me know the next shot. I'm going to come from your side. What you say? More fella. So big of you that I know so them not straight. I'll go stone with the pet people. If you know you're straight and you're not about, follow me now. Well, just on the left them. Then the boy gets the button. Then I'm like, hey, put him down there. Put him down there right away. You hear me now? The girl will know so them blow something before them come here and scream. Any woman over yourself? Once the girls are pushing them out. Pick up with yourself, with us and start it. Alright, well, Jack's on the left them. Then the boy needs the button. None of my girls up, nobody don't come on it. Now probably no one from them fucking. Jack's on the left them, that's on the run it. And the boy needs the button, there's nobody. None of my girls, nobody don't come on it. Now probably no boy. That boy must have run out. He's a mental sickness, you want some bunch of talk, some nice stuff. All you want to find anybody back out. You don't know the girl, you want to move, looking for power. You got to tell you get your command. Don't get the rest of my real man on you. Hey, when them a try, you got for your good body. Well, Jack's on the left them. Pull up and run it again. Joe, what is man over there? Selassie, Joe. Alright, level now. How about the bonfire? Let me hear the rhythm. Take it. Them boy them there, no come smile. Kid boy left them on the time. Them boy them there, touch his safe. Everything can in the bullet now grace. Them boy them there, no come smile. If them a go let out the crocodile. Them boy them there, what is it me touch it? Move from your son, and go Ivan. Oh you know so, go die man. Sizzla Kalonji there you arise on. You up too much pussy, you got a pride on. I be a man around there you ride on. Don't let the rifles them rise down. Man I beg no friend. Tell them everything, never tell them again. Jamaican dance and I left them. Anyway, you step at that. Next shot. Some more fire. The fire got do what I do. Man I beg no friend. What you say? I'm just saying do not get me. Pull up. Yeah man. What them feel like? I'm more fire way about it now. Big up girls and again, I want to say a pleasant morning to you all. A judgment child in progress. Why am I about to say we can't cool, alright? What do you man when I say that, see Joe? Don't have the system now. The fire about the whole of them. Jamaica now make a friend from. Fire about the whole of them. Jamaica now make a. I'm going to say do not get me. To the big hey, next one. So that's it. Yeah. So the girls have no sound clean, well put together, all sound beautiful. Hey, raise every child, about me. Well, 20 minutes, past stage, I'm gonna join that. But we got the promoter save me, BRT. You know? And we got the big time massive save me, server. Hey! Yo! Them all that say them bother them a fool. Shoot them as he said that a Rasta man rule. Alright, you make me send them to school. Take it up. Who wants them like Hawk and Owl? So them a bad, but you rat him and them a roll. Boy body, it can't bad up a soul. Y'all see them in your face like tiles. Them a this a tell me how them a that. When me take your record, you're what? What in a year, now know you're dead on this spot. Because the piece in your face like a piss spot. You them a go vex when them hear this part. Me hear say them so pussy. Which part? Who know run the poor now run the rich part? Who know how to read out of this part? Well I'm there, like you put a vintage. Me hear them toxicator with the young mixture. Because them catch us up to me, they take a picture. Now they ignorant in front. What I pull up? No something next up. Holy money when I slash that Joe. Alright, we got the girls up the same way. We saw BRT fans. Hey, yo, I'm gonna step up in that gun now. Fantastic. Step up in there. The man with the woman, 3-0. Yeah, we don't know. Come on, Jason. See what I mean? Come on, Jason. I'm Mr. Loose all yes, I put the wall on her. If she got pregnant, she said that I know. Sizzla Kalonji, I'm the real bad summer. Well, yeah. I'm Mr. Step up in a fun now. Next time I select her. You know this is never gets this. I'm Mr. One second, holy man, when I select her, Joe. No woman abuse, no child abuse. I'm gonna change the street again. BRT. Words are divine. To all the woman I talk. Tell them to be fine. I never go up. I can't hear the ladies. Words are the one of the people in my house. When I hear them, woman right away. How you feeling? You're up here, you're clean, that's so nice now. What is that? Oh yeah. Alright, BRT, shout. Now we got motion. Who knows your pop? Who knows? I'm not. I am not a talkers, man. ITO. You know, what I say words are the to BRT girls right away. Yeah, tell them to be fine. I never know what's saying. Oh, words are divine to all the woman right away. Yeah, tell them to be. And select that I'll be able to put on something like, oh yeah, BRT, let me sing. Knowing your motion, who knows your potion? Joyful will I be in your eyes. Put away pollution. I will think I'm strong. And I pull up. Pass. All the man never gonna take off your jaws, bust a thousand blocks. From the bottom of the end, bust a thousand more. Now go like you don't have the mouth for shout. Eh? All who now support no bottom and some more fire. Some more fire. Over your Sunday more. Over your Sunday more. I do not support no kidnapping, some more fire. Alright, change it, say big fire. Say big fire. Come and promote some freak fire. What it? Next shot, my dude. So I don't go away. Big up the beautiful ladies, okay? Once again, I want to say greetings to the name of the most high King Selassie. That's how me say, woman, I need to like Africa is somebody say pull up. Hey, the girls just come here have a good time, you know. And they come like the man never fuck the woman, them not get the woman never vibe on the party, you know. Hey girl, any man on the side of you know on the vibes, running woman. Make so nice, yeah. Woman, I need you like African woman, you're the one that you adore. Need you because they're pretty star. Whoa, Jamaican girl, woman, I need you like African woman, you're the one I adore. I pull up pants, what up? If me love the girls, I have to defend the pants. Me here to sell the airport, that's true. And them sell cement company, that's true. And them sell flour mill, that's true. Every time I vote in somebody, them sell out sickness, that's true. One next year I go sell the reservoir, I'm going to wake up one morning in a year, so I'm going to sell the University of the West Indies and technology. I want to go and boy, you know, so we sell the roads and the mountains. Eh? What are you dealing with? Let me tell you something about politician. They are going to something by law. PNP and JLP. We never said no national anthem and pledge for no green and tangerine. We don't say the national pledge and anthem for what? The Jamaican flag, no. A rasta man tell me, say, see that Jamaican flag there? A Ghana that come from. And one of the Adinka symbol, yeah? So you must know some of the real ruling people. Some of them want to make politics trickle. Every time they vote on winning, they sell out something. Then why is it I'm getting up in the morning and saying the anthems and saying the pledge? To nothing, we say we feel develop Jamaica. Every time we try to build up here, so something wrong is a sell out and gone. What I do? The beaches them gone. Look for the girls, and which way we are going to put them? Them can't tell them on the beaches them again. No one is allowed. Especially if you have a melanin type. I want to go out in Jamaica, next with it. We don't sell out the rivers them on the mountains. I will not rap it. Don't have the fire and the keep up. BRT, now one on the time. Ever, man. But who? Let me tell you something. Yeah? Let me tell you something. The son will tell you. Voila! Now one on them try cry. Ever tells, ever ya. But can I hear ya? Hey, who's falling off? Things who are breakfast. Me and the human reasoning join this sweat. People would say things just for us to separate. They don't want for us to listen well. I'm good, and you know I can. Why does it have to be this way? I tell you, we are decent, just when I does. Whoa, 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 just, yeah, too humble. Some more fire, set me in fire. Anybody in the line? Hey, girl, BRT, where do you go? Hey, when are you going to? When are you going to come my way? Hey, what sort of things I've been telling you? Girl, I got to stop them from pull up that. The man will have pump from and bone back to man some more fire. What the people say work. Level, pull up. You hear me now, no? You don't know yes, man. What the people say work. When you get that with sexy girl, you have to give her a day. Sizzla getting visa, that means he must. Reading, because we bun sodomite, bun lesbian, bun batman, bun thief. All the people that walk up and up with gun and kill off them money. They burn up everything, they burn out blood clot visa too. But the thing that is, I'm not beg for it, I walk me off. Yo, where do you go down to? Baby, when are you going to? Hey, when are you going to come my way? Pull up. Mars. Fireman. How will you see about the fire, Yafa? Eh? How will you see about the fire? Where next one? Fire no Batman, let me see it again. Fire no some pushing, let me see fire. Fire no real, let me see fire. Fire no, hey, yo, don't rank with me. What are the fire? I'm saying, I can't see about man, don't buckle that fire on that. I want to you. Let me see it again. And then you know where I'm take it off for the rascal stage. Where next one go? I want alone. Hey, yo, next shot, I'm rank with me. I'm not worry about visa. I'm not worry about the people who go to school neither. All who have a man hands in here, push up the fire. All who have a man hands in here. I'm friendly and big man. I'm the nationalized visa. I know the people before me know blood clot visa. I'm going to play that number one leader. Let me sing that song for the black woman and all the beautiful mothers of the world. Yeah! Got you mama for the 9 months you carry me. All those pain and suffering. Pull up, pass. So you say you take too long to burn the fire. You're going to take back $5,000 out of your pay. You don't hear. Yeah, next song. The girls are love their baby father over your hands in here. But I love the baby father. But I love the boyfriend. Well, you don't know what's cyber. Well, the man over there is Selassie and Joe. You don't know a judgment Janice. And a Sizzla Kalonji. Hey, black woman, eh? Oh, yeah. For you, I really have so much love. Dollar bills and will fade away. Bonfire, BRT, say, black woman, and think about the sponsors, them know what I'm saying. Yeah, whoa. Yeah. Dollar bills and so you feel say two sexy girls in them and I'll sing a song now. Take it down. Say you hear the voice of the Rasta man. Say give it up. Babylon, your throne gone. Babylon, your throne. Next song selector. I'm gonna waste some time. Okay, and continue. So the people know to them for make money. We don't forget rich. No found to make money and they don't know buy no land. We don't know buy no pretty car. We don't know take care of yourself. BRT, rise to the occasion, look at you. No one can. Hey, rise to the occasion, look at yourself and say, no one can. It's for you, so the boss did. That's all. Bless you. All right. The other people that know say a long time when I try. Enough things to try and people bad mind and not try holding it up. But now one long thing that I go on because we abolish slavery a long time. So from we abolish slavery, we abolish bad mind. We abolish corruption, we abolish crime and violence. All them things that bad, we don't need them. Jamaican people, Africa, hey, sing, yes, you got to be. And be the best. I saw that. I'm not to wait too long. BRT, yes, you got to be. And be the best. Oh, yeah. The word. I'm down to. Hi, how you doing? Long time I haven't seen you. Up here, like I would be able to do so. Nothing can beat you back to work, God, I'm telling you. I'm going to pray for the best, because I believe in you. Not like the stereotype of cleanliness and cheating you. Give thanks for your love and your life for us being here. There's good in the house and we're going to bring it out. Hey, BRT, Sizzla say, yes, you got to be. Next one. Whoa. Here, King Selassie, I got back to you. Without no apology. I've been here. Where's you then? Some we say. Fireman, I want to put a fire around yourself. Yeah. Some the rat is like ice, waiting to see the fall Jamaicans yours, you know. And everyone deserves to earn. So what's the crown and solid success? Oh, you know, the man of smoke guns and now support no coke and money. What's on the lighter now? The idea, sir, smoke the herb and get that over time. Next up. Woo-hoo. Yeah. They know when they come for real style. We just come to burn the fire and keep the people in chat and keep the people in line. Rastafari. Hey, they can't keep a good man. Always keep a dry when they I kept my vibe and I stood mine. But they could never ever check that. Hey, oh, jobless, I said. Things getting better when they thought it would be well. Here comes the officers, they're asking for the search. Emperor Selassie, me I'll tell them first. The Rasta man, solid as a, they just can't. No waste time, next time. Okay, so remember the words of Marcus Garvey. Remember the words of Prince Manuel. Remember the words of Nanny. Remember the words of the four parents. Remember you're black and you're African and you're beautiful. Judgment, yeah. keep on. Sing from a people, children from a man. Love you till I see that. Big up the general ambition to speak. Ooh, yeah. You know about that? When we tell them, pleasant surprise. When they gonna stop you? That's up on the people. You know. Hey, just a kingdom. Top of the paper and I let it. Big up all reggae music fans. Big up all people visiting Jamaica. Rastaman come to bash them. She said after I never. Yes sir. There's no place and no time for your visit. People, remember that the fence doesn't separate us, alright? Okay? More fire. Jamaica, them I wonder how me do them going. Feet up at this buttons, my laps are good. Young heart eater. No spread no propaganda cause them can't stand. Them I wonder how me so slick and growing later. Feet up at this buttons, my laps again. Pull up, pass. Did you know that the mayor of New York City and the government of the United States of America had proclaimed that they've given a proclamation that 23rd of July is Rasta Culture Day in New York. Selassie I birthday, a Rasta Culture. Me about never do one show. Then I say July the 14th. Never do a free show for the public them in New York. See, I'm also Jamaican people support me. So them there at New York and support me too. All over the world, I see Jamaicans. I want to know. When I know them everywhere, so. I don't know them proud to be a Jamaican. Put up here. Because you know you're the Hebrew Israelites. You're the nation of Solomon and John. Run that. And so you don't have to know that, yeah? Hey. So the whole entire United States of America must give proclamation for Rasta Culture Day. Well, there's nothing in the system of which they created honor. Hey, they criticize their own trend when you're there conquer the straw. If they were to grow up around, they're not different from those scribes and Pharisees who came around. They like in the corners, skylark in the streets, float in the town. They never done positive. Always trying to tell making people these people road. Dance around before you dance abroad. The girls that don't have BRT clean because they carry good word. Hey! Turn up the youth. The boss rich enough. And the people are richer than the boss enough. Turn up that man. You know the money? When I say guide over roads, emperor. Them here road. All who present might put a hand in here and bust up that. Some more fire. Next sir. We have the people in time. You got the people that support season upon the first day me and dead forever till me in music. You don't know which one I got to you is gonna be a star. Come down when the youth got to break in the music since Sizzla and the music. A lot more coming. What's your little hype say? Yo! I was born in a system that no. The people that fly down, popular. The people that fly down for that show, yeah, who ever know? People that fly down for that show, yeah, who ever know? People that there and know so them have to that show, yeah, who ever know? People that know so them have to pick me to go to school in the morning, who ever know? Alright, now that being daddy not in here. Alright, next one. What them say? How much more song me have? 1,000? Thank you very much. No problem. Don't come tell me how much song me have, yeah? Before I get on the stage. Hey, you see taking what's not yours. Greedy girl. Switching on me now. Being a dirty attitude, watch you. Hey, I know you look on every corner. Trying to make $1 from the quarters. That you work, my friend, even helping on. A big up BRT, them are my real rotten fans. I got to take from all those things that yeah, man, no. Me can't come here and sing that one. I sing that one on the stage. I want to say see you next time. Sizzla Kalonji, love it. Big up all beautiful ladies. Love the laptop. Yeah, sir. Eh? One more. That's the final one. We're good. Anyway, I'm going to say greetings again. In the man of most high, the pure majesty and pride kicks last year. Sizzla Kalonji, it's good being here and I'm honored working for you people. I'm most elated, okay? So take care of the ladies there on a judgment chart again. Alright, rest, run anything. Run anything. Run anything. Anything. Alright. No, run. I tell you, I can't do it himself. The man never know them like boom boom, push up the boom boom light on out. Turn it up, hey, what? Rasta man don't apologize to. If you're this great champion, and if you're this BRT, then you, and if you pull up and run again. Ready again. I'm not gonna see it, we have run now. Over there, some bus over there. We don't see no one on them leave the stage. Why run? Rasta man don't apologize. If you're this king, say I see I. Give me the one of the gun because of them I won't be tired. Me a come for me, that's a boy. Why Rasta man don't apologize? If you're this king, say I see I. Give me the one of the gun because of them I won't be tired. Me a come for me, that's a boy. Aye, because them sexy and them justified. You sexy girl, BRT. Some boy bow down. Nothing in this young world could have been doing that. I don't care if the man name. I real Rasta man name. Whoa, I am Palestinian. Really conquering. Rasta man don't apologize. Love you and see you next time. Thank you very much. BRT. Make some noise for Sizzla.